Hey, welcome guys. Basically today, these videos are gonna get better. My talking needs to get better. I need to stop saying so many times, or I need to start videoing these better. Anyways, we're gonna go to lazy day today. It's been raining. It's like, what time is it? 12:48 on Monday, November 3rd. So afternoon. 12:48 p.m. Anyways, we're gonna go get some breakfast. Oh, breakfast at 1. Yeah, we're gonna go get that sandwich thing with. I might switch it up. I usually get the char siu. I'm gonna get the sausage and egg this time. Sorry, putting my belt on, and then we'll get out of here. Then it's probably gonna be a lazy video. Probably just go. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys Circle K. I'm gonna get some water, maybe a juice, and then we'll get the food, and then we'll go down the lake. Depending how much it's raining, I might, or how well the umbrella's holding up, I might go walk back to the dragons and then explore a little bit, but we'll see. And if I can keep an eye out, but I think everything surrounding the lake is gonna be too expensive for my taste. It's gonna be touristy. Last night was cool too, guys. I posted a little clip on my Instagram or Facebook. My neighbor that I always talk about in the video, that I always want to translate through my phone and shit. I was waiting for food last night, and he was out there with his friend. I was like, hey, oh, come here, sit down. They didn't say it in English, but I could tell. Then they started giving me shots of Vietnamese vodka. It was all green. Oh, it was smooth. It was good too. And then they had like some home cooked food. Oh, it was so good. The meat, probably they said it was quail eggs, but I don't know if it was. It was good too. Like a omelet almost, like a mini, this big of omelet. Anyways, thanks for following along if you do, and thanks for being a part of this journey. We have 32 subscribers, so we got a long way to go, but guess what? Those 32 mean the world to me right now, so thank you guys. And what's really cool about this channel is because we're so small, if you leave a comment, I'll respond to everything. Maybe not on Facebook and Instagram and stuff, but because I'm trying to build YouTube up. Okay guys, I just have Westlake. That's what we want to. My friend I was talking to, she said that's a water park, that Ferris wheel looking thing. I need to try too, guys, and I apologize. I have a wide angle lens for this. I wonder if the picture would be better in some instances. Probably, but I want to go on that Ferris wheel, but crazy. They call this I guess the foreign name is Westlake. They call it Tahoe. Tahoe means west. I'll let you guys peep the street a little. I think Tahoe means, this is such a cool, I love being where I'm at though, because this whole lake's 10 miles and it's, what do you call it? It's all, paved. Okay guys, I was just watching, okay. That started, that's good. Okay guys. Welcome back to fucking Losing Your Mind with Nate. Giving all Americans a bad name over here. That's why I'm telling them I'm Canadian. I am losing my memory faster and faster and faster. I read a comment on someone else's page saying, oh, you talk so great, like you don't have any ums or stutters or this or that, like, and then you go to my channel. Shit guys, I forgot. Oh, look at that bird. Shit, oh, back to the store. Oh, damn, look at that. Anyways, I was gonna film just a lazy video for you guys eating and stuff down here by the water, because I got I got the banh mi, the street food I like. But so I was talking to my friend. She said it was that just means bread. And then I was reading online, and they said, like, because the French, I don't, what's the right word? Sent troops into Vietnam and told the Vietnamese people what to do for hundreds of years. That so that's why I think they use the bread. It's like a baguette, but they do like Vietnamese style, I read, where it's like rice flour. Anyways, so then I was gonna get the sausage and egg, because my friend said her and her friends get that for breakfast. And then I thought, oh, maybe that is a breakfast food, like a egg McMuffin or something. So I was just walking around the lake, guys, and I was gonna film a like eating video for you guys. I bought the banh mi thing I like, but I was talking to my friend. She said that just means bread. And then I like the char siu on mine, which is just how I grew up. It's Chinese barbecue pork, basically. And then there's my friends, guys. We're gonna go meet them. Well, I don't know, they're my friends. I just met them like 5 minutes ago. They were just fishing. I just said, oh, do you guys mind if I watch? I grew up fishing in America. Oh yeah, look at that wind. And that's fresh washed hair flying in the wind. Anyways, I don't know where I've said how many edits I'm gonna have to do at this point, but so the banh mi I like the char siu, but she said her and her friends get that in the morning, so I wanted to try sausage and egg one. Basically sausage, egg, bread, and good vegetables or whatever. But so I ended up saying I can't do it. So I got the char siu, but I added fried egg this time. So I'm sure that's gonna be delicious. We're gonna eat that. Then I was stopped by the Circle K, and I saw they had some what do you call it? I stopped by the Circle K because I wanted a little bit of water, but I wasn't going to carry all that water on this walk, so I'll go back there. But they had a chocolate milk and a strawberry milk. I'll try that. And then, and then I saw a bag of Lay's Wagyu flavored, so we're going to try that. So we got just some food. Hopefully they'll catch a fish, can show you guys fish. Hopefully I'll get my shit together soon and start fishing and get a scooter or a bike, stop being such a scaredy cat. And then should be an okay video, I think. Guys, it's like windier than shit here. Look at the umbrella. Or maybe look at my hair as the indication. Or the tree branches. I guess because I'm blocking my hair. But anyways, they're trying to cast and it's like hard because the wind. See if they catch something. I think I can't tell if it's the waves or we got a fish. And dude might have a fish over here too. Nah, he's getting a little close. This one might have a fish though. I doubt it. The hair crazy because this fucking wind. And then check this out. Two-tone pants, yeah. We're soaked. It's all cool though. That guy said he usually fishes on the weekend, so at least. That guy said he usually fishes the weekend, so boom. And then we just need to get a fishing pole. We're gonna go home and eat. Good day today. Stay safe, guys. Okay, guys, we're back at the apartment. Just show you, we bought. I didn't want Aquafina, but that's what we got. 5 liters. I like the Vietnamese brand. It's way cheaper, but this is from my local corner store. That's what she had, so I support her. And then, you know, we got trusty old Minute Maid. Liter of cat pee. Levy brand, but they, it was the local corner store. I like supporting her. She's nice, so that's why I did that. But here's, got a little food for you guys. Okay, so what'd we do? We got, bugs. We got strawberry milk. I think the kids are in music class in the school next to me. Ooh. Chocolate milk. Ooh. That's good too. That's really good. Now we got the banh mi. Oh, my Vietnamese friend said that only means bread. And you guys can tell the French, what's the word, subjugated the Vietnamese for a long time, so that's like the baguette, but on Google said they use rice flour maybe, but I got the same one, guys, but look at it now. Oh boy, I added fried egg, and I told her to put extra of the hot sauce on the char siu, guys. I don't know if you can tell, that shit is covered in hot sauce. This is gonna be so good. I should have ate it hot. Okay. That's the way to do it, guys. Oh, spice is on point now. Let's get a little bit of egg. I think we can get it. Hold on. I'm still learning. I'm not trying very hard, but I'm learning. That's the egg up top and the side, but just the color changed because of the hot sauce. So good. Do I look like a little kid? That strawberry milk is on point though. Here's a fun fact. Have you guys ever watched Futurama? Or big Futurama buffs? There's an episode where Fry switches hands with the devil so he can play like some instrument that tells a story so Leela could fall in love with him. But without the devil hands, Fry sucks. That's what the kids remind me. Anyways, have you guys seen these before? Party Pack, Lay's, Max. Okay, you guys take a guess what that flavor is before I show you. Wagyu beef flavor. Now, I haven't tasted them yet. I opened them. They, I'm gonna be honest with you, not the best smell, but yeah, I would never buy these again. Oh, I wonder if they sell them in Vietnam, because this could be a big Japanese flavor or Asian flavor. To me, it tastes like, I mean, I'm gonna eat this whole bag, maybe. I don't know. I guess, how could you compare Wagyu to a chip? Because you couldn't make a Wagyu chip, because Wagyu is the best. I do love, though, I love the ridges. I'm trying to give you guys the flavor of my flavor buds. I don't know. I guess I don't think I tried. That's rude, I guess, here. To slurp. Okay, guys, those chips, they're meh at best. But this, look how much that's stuffed. Egg and goodness. The bread's delicious. We're going for a big bite. The only thing that could be better, well, maybe it's on the back end. Never mind, it's perfect. I was gonna say, need a little more hot sauce, but it came in on the back end. Disappointed, guys. Not in the bread. The egg, we're definitely adding egg every time now. These chips, though. Disappointing. For my taste buds. Chocolate milk. Oh, they are, guys. I'm not gonna peep too much, but I just see them in that window playing music. Let's go back in for that strawberry milk's good too, guys. Sorry, it's already 8 minutes. So good. I wonder how much bread, like, because I met a girl, she said she went to France, and she just ate fresh bread every day and lost like 20 pounds. But I thought bread was like carbs. Well, guys, the Vietnamese milk Both of those, extremely good flavor. The chocolate tastes different to me than American chocolate milk. Tastes more like a chocolate cocoa, I think. Look at the back end. That's how much shit is packed in here, just falling out. Look at that egg. That's the back egg. We're gonna back tack this sandwich. So good. And for the price, damn bugs. For the price, you can't beat it. I'll leave you guys with a couple more gross bites of these. Yeah, it tastes like beef, but yeah, those are one and done. I'll never buy those again. Yeah, I just think it's too hard. If you've had real Wagyu, like Japanese A5, you know you can never make that like any other way than getting it from Japan. This sandwich though, I'm not gonna lie guys, I scoped out a place on my walk that I walked past 6 times. It's it was beef. It was like spicy beef and I hope rice. Then I passed another one. The menu actually wasn't that bad. Popcorn chicken was 59,000. So guys, again, thank you for everything you do. And I want to give a special shout out to all the sisters of this world. If you're a good human, and I hope your brother, young or old, looks out for you and takes, well, like, your best interests, even though you may, if you're older, you may not need them, but I have one sister and I'm very fortunate to have her, and life would not, I'd been homeless a long time ago just because I'm self-destructive. So just shout out to all the sisters. And dudes, treat them nice. Sorry guys, I just wanted to give you this one last clip. I was trying to explain this. That was probably one of my worst videos I ever shot. And honestly, I'm sorry I even put it out and didn't spend more time fixing it. I didn't never mean to show my belly off to you guys. Maybe my shoulders. I'm not wearing a shirt. I don't care, but I gave you guys like full like that. Not my... I apologize. Anyways, this thing I was trying to explain in one video clip. I cut it out and said, oh, you could roast me if it was wrong, what it was. The lady told me this was traditional Japanese tea. My friend, though, said it was a drum. And then when we went on the tour yesterday, guess what? She said that should match the picture I'm showing you. And guess what? It does, so now we turned it around. So now it sits like that. And so, our list of things. This hat, Vietnam. I got this in Ningbing, I don't know. Then the drum. And then I bought this just for fun, little koozie. And then I bought this Tam Coke, because that's where we were. And then I bought this on the way up. So my personal stash, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 souvenirs so far for myself. And unfortunately none for nobody else yet, because we're still here for 2.5 months minimum. Also, what might be cool, guys, is I guess we'll wait till we see if we can hit 100 subscribers, but maybe once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll let you guys know, and then everyone could comment, like, in if they want to be in. And then I'll just send the winner some stuff from Vietnam, if I can figure out how without it breaking. And full disclosure, the cheapest way I was looking at it might be a month and a half on a boat. But we'll see. Just something cool I could think, like a hat, a little knick-knack, a couple knick-knacks that say Vietnam, and like a shirt. I don't know. Could be cool. But we're gonna have to, or mostly I'm gonna have to do a lot better on attracting an audience. But anyways, guys, if you see any more of this, it's gonna be more food, but I'm full, so I'm probably gonna edit this, call it a day, and tomorrow will be a new day. And love you guys. Oh, and I need to do something tomorrow, so then the following day you see this should have another banger. I might do I think what I'm gonna do, fuck it, I'm gonna ride into town, buy a fishing pole and fishing shit, fish a couple videos, just for fun, catch and release, be fun. Okay, stay safe, guys.